ennemis.
Street lourd c'est le 2 sur le morceau, on est 4. Enculé de mes deux, avec le 9-2 c'est l'hymne du 9-4. Je représente les vraies cités, là on se tape pour un client. La honte nique ta mère pour pas un franc. Celui qui pique rap dans ton hall, c'est moi. Celui qui roule en loc toute l'année, c'est moi. On boite plein de putes et de bouteilles, c'est moi. Et si ta meuf nique pas, on lui met un halwa.
C'est street lourd, v'là le type pour les dealers de shit sur MUF face au touch me. Du silicite pour le joint de 8 jours et nuit dans le tour, on vit avec les zombies. C'est la danse des nerds.
Dans mon quartier, y'a de la stonk, la frappe dès 10h du mat. Vendre du shit c'est un métier, faut être sociable et commercial. Faut des tonnes de qualité, surtout n'oublie pas c'est la rue. Faut être hardcore, faire des exemples, sinon les petits te marchent dessus. J'ai mon d'emploi pour faire du fric, investi dans du bon shit. Monte un terrain, une bonne équipe, prends un pompe de 3 broliques. Monte ta table, change les plaques, une carte des nationales. Photo léant qui t'acclame, dans ma tête on baisse les douanes. Heureusement qu'il y a la 10, sinon dis-moi comment survivre. Dans nos TC, PO leur dit aux jeunes OG, j't'affranchis. Faut faire du bif, casser la race. Ces bâtards ça les dérange, que les fils d'immigrés brassent. Faut tout niquer, mais tout votre terrain investi dans du légal. Mon premier dit, je l'ai financé, moi et mon crew dans l'illégal. C'est pas le rap qui m'a payé, mais ça mes loisirs. Je laisse la stup, le gire, des moines street lourd, PO leur dit.
C'est street lourd, v'là le type pour les dealers de shit sur MUF face au touch me. Du silicite pour le joint de 8 jours et nuit dans le tour, on vit avec les zombies. C'est la danse des nerds.
C'est street lourd pour les rarity. C'est du lourd, c'est pas du dirty. Tous illicites vous invite dans la zone. Viens découvrir où j'habite, on vend pas de jaune. On fait l'amour dans les taudis. On fait la course sans un radis. On vit la vie du haut de notre tour, on survit. On vit au jour le jour et on fait gaffe aux sourcils. En vrai l'ami dans les Hauts-de-Seine ça bibi. Et tout le monde dit que dans le 9-4 ça braque en équipe. Le principe c'est que dans les cités ça brille. Du 01 au 13 jusqu'au 59 ça débride. Avis de sensations fortes ça s'équipe. Pour faire flipper les Français et la République. J'pique, ma crise est nique la justice. Et fais gaffe à mon pénis, y'a la syphilis.
C'est street lourd, v'là le type pour les dealers de shit sur MUF face au touch me. Du silicite pour le joint de 8 jours et nuit dans le tour, on vit avec les zombies. C'est la danse des nerds. Au nom de mes frères, sur le terre-terre, qui chaque jour galère, tout le monde le major en l'air. Au nom de mes frères, qui sur le terre-terre, chaque jour opère, tout le monde le major en l'air. Les schmitts, les indies, toutes ces balances, et ces schmettards, les traîtres, ceux qui veulent nous niquer, paix à tous les quartiers de France.
This is the day you were waiting for. This moment, this time.
Workout 2. Sticky. Let's go. It's been a minute. We just getting started. RBG Fit Club. Let's raise the bar. Levitate, elevate, level up. Levitate, elevate, level up. Let's raise the bar. Levitate, elevate, level up. Levitate, elevate, level up. Let's raise the bar. All I wanna do is get better. Keep leveling up and never settle. It's not for the trophies or the medals. I do it to explore my potential. I just wanna live like a champion. I just wanna push to the maximum, like a gladiator in the stadium, a god in the gymnasium. The elevation and maintenance, the dedication and patience, the fundamentals and basics. Level up, that's how we achieve greatness. Putting in miles on the pavement, putting in work on the weight bench, duct tape on the heavy bag in the basement. Daily elevation, let's raise the bar. Levitate, elevate, level up. Levitate, elevate, level up. Let's raise the bar. Levitate, elevate, level up. Levitate, elevate, level up. Let's raise the bar. Next level focus. Either make excuses or make a way. My destiny is greatness. Molding and shaping myself like Cassius Clay. Doing what it takes to get gains. You want new results, do different things. Are you willing to do the extreme? Make the sacrifice for the dream. Cut what you need to get rid of. Elevate, exhale, think bigger. I'm woke. I know that my body the temple. I know how to find my center. I know how to focus my mental, so no distraction can enter. I'm about that action agenda, just like the emblem. Let's raise the bar.
Raising the bar.
Levitate, elevate, level up. Levitate, elevate, level up. Let's raise the bar. Levitate, elevate, level up. Levitate, elevate, level up. Let's raise the bar.
This here is not just physical, it's mental. Physically, I can do this, but my body tries to tell my mind it can't. Let's go. So I have to push with the object that's stronger than my body. And that's my mind. Yeah. You go into a complete focus mode and you crush it.
Let's raise the bar.
So because I have this vision of where I know I could be, or I think I could be, I hold that in my mind. That shit keep me working out, taking care of myself, running, you know?
Yeah. It's a lifestyle.
Let's raise the bar.
Okay. Push. Okay, nog 2 normaal.
I say yes to life, respect for life. It's my birthright, a successful life. Like plants, I absorb the light. Deep roots fed by the source of life. Flow with the course of life. Relax or resist your choice in life. Let go, don't force through life. I let the universe support my life. It started with changing my attitude. Replacing my worries with gratitude. Surrounded by all these free jewelry. So clearly I see opportunity. I got air in my lungs. I know I'm supported in love that's below so above. No matter conditions, it's all for the good like the lotus that grows from the mud. Trust, be true to yourself. Be here in the now. Love, like a mother and child with a breast in his mouth. The milk is the dial. When we on our purpose, we'll always be nourished. There's nothing we're lacking without. Give thanks and praise and light up the sage and let it be raised to the cloud. Trust the universe. 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 I'm so blessed, I let go stress and got no regrets whatsoever. So grateful, so thankful. Change only made me better. We be in our egos, we be thinking that we know it all, but the universe knows better. I don't know the future, what the forecast holds, but I know to adjust to the weather. I realize I don't have no opponents. Learning how to trust myself. Everything come together for the good of all things. It's the way that the universe built. Our ancestors built pyramids and aligned the grid with the stars. So in future times, their great-grandkids can be reminded of who we are. Our bodies are made of stardust. Abundance is in us, around us, and part of us. And we got the infinite power within us to manifest anything possible. Trust and believe every positive thought is a seed in the garden. Be mindful. Plant what you need and water that seed, and then you gon' eat when it's time to. I'm just here to remind you. Trust the universe. Trust the universe. Trust the universe. Trust the universe. Trust the universe.
to walk in belief.
Every image on my vision board is an affirmation I'm living towards. Listening to that inner voice from the higher source of my life force. Get in tune with the way, reaffirming every day when I sit and meditate and let it marinate. Do what you love, never work a day. Only good things gon' gravitate. Set goals, but I'm open, blocking no blessings, flowing like waves in the ocean. Plant seeds every year when the spirit most clear. Align with the time of the winter solstice. Practice, zen in the moment. Set intention and I'm on it. Then I get that blessing from the universe, just like I want it.
I believe in me. I believe I can achieve whatever I dream of. I got everything I need. I believe in me. I believe I can achieve whatever I dream of. I got everything I need. I believe.
I could get swole like Tookie with it. I could get swole like Tookie with it. I could get swole. I could get swole. I could get swole like Tookie with it. I could get swole like Tookie with it. I could get swole like Tookie with it. I could get swole. I could get swole. I could get swole like Tookie with it.
My mind is infinite. I think and grow rich. The gym is my religion. I pray on the bench. The reason why I train, I want the power and the strength. Won't stop, won't quit till I'm swollen, I'm ripped. I cut off the liquor, laid off the spliffs. Had a paradigm shift like I met Morpheus. Now I'm outside the matrix, back to the basics. Tank top, sweatpants, old pair of Asics. You come to the gym, you got to pay your dues. The body get weak if the body don't move. I train for the street, it's no Queensberry rules. Got a winner attitude, I feel like I can't lose. Got my game plan set, I'm not the same man. In 6 months, watch, I'ma be a changed man. Like Heru on my shirt with his wingspan. Raising up the bar like I'm training up for war. I'm back on my workout, back on my regimen, back on my weight gain, back on my discipline, back to the gym again, back on my vitamins, back on my training, feeling stronger than I ever been. I'm back on my workout, back on my regimen, back on my weight gain, back on my discipline, back to the gym again, back on my vitamins, back on my training, feeling stronger than I ever been. No more slacking on my training, I'm 100 with it. I see the goal in my mind, yes, I'm gonna get it. Strength come from within, it's not the outer image, blood pumping. My set is a gang of calisthenics. Slim natural build, but still I handle business. I bang out, I'm insane about my health and fitness. Some me time to go train is all I want for Christmas. And I'ma stick to my word like it's a holy scripture. My mind like an ex-con on this regimen. Pump the dumbbells till my arms look ignorant. Slowly getting bigger, I'm seeing definition. Flexing in the mirror, my pecs getting thicker. Squats got my calves and my quads on sizzle. My abs getting chiseled, I've been on my grizzle. I'm loving my training, I'm always on it. Cause I'm building up the body that I always wanted. I'm back on my workout, back on my regimen, back on my weight gain, back on my discipline, back to the gym again, back on my vitamins, back on my training, feeling stronger than I ever been. I'm back on my workout, back on my regimen, back on my weight gain, back on my discipline, back to the gym again, back on my vitamins, back on my training, feeling stronger than I ever been.
I could get swole like Tookie with it. I could get swole like Tookie with it. I could get swole. I could get swole. I could get swole like Tookie with it. I could get swole like Tookie with it. I could get swole like Tookie with it.
My everyday struggle got me slacking on my fitness. I hear my inner voice saying get back to business, get back in the gym, get back on the bars. I can get it in anywhere, the world is my yard. I can get it a day in the park free of charge. They call me God body cause my body is the guard. My arm, my leg arm, head is a law. It's my first day in, I'm sore but I'm charged. Can't